no truth is not enough.
Hello guys. In this video I will show you how to use your mobile as computer speaker. First go to the link in description and download the file called Soundwire Server. After the download, install the file and open. Right now it is disconnected. You can select which input you want. I set it to default. Now open your mobile and go to Play Store and search for Soundwire Server. Download the application and open. Now type this server address. Click OK to connect. That's it guys, now you can check.
What time it is? Marvin Devine.
Actually it has 2 seconds delay, but sound quality is too good.
Huber. Axel. And you know how we do.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit like and subscribe for more quality premium videos.